The movers just left, and your new home looks like a tornado decided to host a box party. Kitchen items in the bathroom stuff in random boxes, your coffee maker, who knows where that landed. This isn't just frustrating, it's overwhelming. Here's your first most crucial move. Don't start unpacking anything until you do this one thing. This single step will literally change your entire unpacking experience from chaos to control. I'm Taya, professional organizer, and today I'm sharing the exact system I use with my clients to unpack efficiently, minimize stress, and avoid creating even more chaos on top of the moving madness. Plus, I'll reveal the one common mistake that makes unpacking 10 times harder, and you're probably about to make it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan for your first 24 hours in your new home. Let's be brutally honest about what just happened. Professional movers are incredible at heavy lifting, getting things from point A to point B quickly, but their priority isn't long-term organization. They're not unpacking experts. They're trained for speed, which means they might pack your bathroom items with kitchen utensils, holiday decorations, and with daily essentials, and don't even get me started on how they label boxes. You might find a box labeled miscellaneous or master bedroom, only to discover it contains items from 5 different rooms. It's not malicious, it's just the nature of their job. I recently worked with a client whose home was a perfect example. Art supplies mixed with linens, cat toys in the same box as dishes, and her 4 cats were literally staring at me wondering what happened to their world. If this disorganized reality is what you're staring at right now, know this: you're not alone, and you're not starting wrong. This is the normal aftermath and why my system is so critical. Before you even think about opening a single box, I want you to walk through your entire home and do this. Create staging areas in every room. Pick a designated spot in each room to be your sorting zone. This is usually a bed, a clear section of the floor, a spare couch, or even a large table if you have one. This isn't where you think items belong permanently. This is simply where boxes for that specific room go before you unpack them. It's a temporary holding zone where you can see what you're working with, assess the contents, and make quick decisions. Here's why this matters so much. Without these dedicated staging areas, you'll start pulling items out, realize you have nowhere to put them, and then you're just creating chaos on top of chaos. You'll have piles forming in doorways, on kitchen counters, and on the floor where you need to walk. It immediately becomes overwhelming and you'll burn out fast. Trust me on this one. This small step saves hours of frustration later. It creates calm and controlled environments for unpacking, even when everything else feels out of control. Most people naturally just start with whatever box is easiest to reach, or the one that feels the most urgent. Big mistake. That leads to half-finished rooms and feeling overwhelmed by everything you haven't done. Here's the strategic unpacking order that prevents overwhelm and gets you functional fast. Step 1, immediate survival item. Forget the boxes for a moment. First, find your immediate survival items. This means your phone charger, any essential daily medications, basic toiletries, think toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, one complete change of clothes for each family member, and a clean towel. Find these